Alright, this video is going to be a home styler how-to. Once we finish our slate projects, we're going to kind of get into some drafting, and part of that drafting is going to be designing your own home, designing your own room, that type of stuff. So today I'm going to have you mess around with Home Styler. It's going to be brand new to you. Don't panic, but I want you to design your dream room. Okay, so to get started designing your dream room, you're going to go to Chrome, and in the address bar type in Home Styler, just like that. It'll come up to Home Styler. We want to create house floor plans. It'll take a second to load up. When it loads up, guys, you want to hit the Get Started Now button down here in the corner. You want to start from scratch, and right in here are the size of your rooms. So if you want a square room, you can place your square room over there. If you want an L-shaped room, if you want to put a closet inside of it, and all it is a click, hold, and drop. So if I want a square room, I click and hold on that, and I drop it over into the sketching area. If I want to resize the room, I can click on the walls and drag them out to get a bigger room. If I want to add in a closet, I just kind of click and hold, and I can drag in my closet area and drop it in there. Missed it. Right there. Okay, I can drop in a closet area. If I want to adjust how the walls look, I can grab any of these adjustments. Like if I wanted a curved little edge on the outside, I can grab this and add that curve to it. You can make it bigger by dragging it or moving it. If you want to add walls inside of your room, you can click and drop those walls in, and you can adjust those walls and move them around however you want to. Alright, so you can slide that out, make a bigger wall to do dividers. If you don't like something, you can just click on it and hit your delete key right there. Make sure you hit delete, not backspace. And anything you click on, you can hit delete on, and you can remove those extra rooms or whatever you've put on there. You can do walls, or you can do your entire floor plan. Alright, so after you do that, you can use your search right up in here, and you can bring in different things. Like if you want to bring in a bed, you can search really anything you want to. Just type in bed, and you can hit enter, and it'll bring in different styles of beds that you can put in. If you want to bring in like chairs, you can bring in chairs. By just searching chairs, it'll bring those in. You can search for a couch. They also have electronics in there. So if you'd like to search for electronics, you can see there's a lot of chairs, so it's taking a long time to load up 415. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and close out of that for now because that's taking forever. If you want to search for TVs, you can type in TV, and it'll search for TVs, and they will pop up. And again, they're just kind of a drag and drop when you are done. You can see my TVs are taking forever to download too, but they'll download in there probably faster on your computers and things like that. Once you're finished, guys, you can go into a 3D look at it, where it'll change to 3D and allow you to check out your room in 3D. You can switch back to 2D and edit things. If you want to add on a floor, you can use this drop down right in here, and you can add levels. Okay, you can title the level, whether it's going to be second floor or whatever, and then hit OK, and it'll bring in and let you start a second floor on that, and you can use your drop down to navigate back and forth on a second floor. Alright, so there you can see my TV's finally downloaded, and again, they're just a drag and drop, and you can place those in there wherever you'd like to. You can rotate them, okay, and move them around however you want, okay, just like that if you want to change the corner. So play around with this, get good at it. I'm sure you guys will be better at it than I am. Make sure you're being good for the sub, and again, build your dream room. If you want to keep going and adding on rooms and different floors, you can add on different rooms and different floors. Just click back to your house, and you can get, there's doors and stairs and fireplaces. You can go through all this that you want, Okay, if you want to put on rooms and extra walls, you can either set them next to it like this, or you can get L shapes and kind of build around that and add on. So if you want to add on to your rooms, you can add on to your rooms. If you want to zoom in and out, it's right there. All right, so have fun with it, and again, be good for the sub.